My name is John Harold Patiño. I work as his teacher at CCB in Pasto. The video I select is about a futurist tool with advanced augmented reality technology that allows users to visualize digital information in real time about the world around them. You do like to have sight? Yes. Is you be interested? Do you like type of technology tool obtain digital information in real time about the world around us? However, I be concerned about information privacy as a now could potential ask sensitive data about people. What do you cite for? I think this type of futurist technology tool can help in the medical field by providing faster and accurate disease diagnostics, which could save lives, for example, in the medical emergency. Can you side be side use? It could collect provide delay about activities, announce emotion, or the environment and the child and the youth malicious purposes. The Board proposed control asked for financial information and sensitive delayed like medical history a good obtained of also manual people's behavior. Do you think a device like sight impossible in the future? I think it's possible. Technical advance or become for revolutionary and the dark auditory argument writing a device or the allow remote serious assistant by robots. For example, at University UNAD, we already have Victoria and artificial intelligence initiative with on academic campus. Can you using side chain people's lives? Side could improve main part of life like education, health and daily tasks. Doctors might see medical data instantly and students could learn in equating interactive ways. Technology tools do not solve problems in our lives, they help us perform and tasks more efficiently. However, is the ethical question of the appropriate due to always existence.